Yo, 14, you got another one.
Fuck 5G, fuck 5G, I'm in 50. Fuck 5G, fuck 5G, tryna hurt me, tryna kill me. Fuck 5G.
If you don't know what I'm saying, that means you lack focus on the inside. My niggas killing in the sky, talking that shit about your life, thinking so many lies, talking so many lies. Nigga gotta go for the night, the demon be searching, rich bring stuff, but waiting for your demise. Waiting for your demise. If you don't understand how you gon' survive with no plan, these niggas spend time and energy working for the bank, not knowing that it came from the motherland. It's just my nigga couldn't comprehend the truth. Their roots, only if they could see the proof. Cut the DNA, got us so confused. It's not our fault they took our land and hid us from the truth.
Fuck 5G,
Fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
I'm in 50.
I'm in 50.
Fuck 5G,
Fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
tryna hurt me,
can't hurt me,
tryna kill me.
can't kill me.
Fuck 5G,
Fuck 5G. That connection in the sky got you feeling pain, sign got you feel too comfortable. My niggas would've been like they stuck to the books, but that's unusual. Rats in the hood, broke a heart, but our cars in the fucks, they untouchable. Mainstream media telling like fake agenda, preying on people that might. The society we live in got people living so unnatural. Heart us praise the devil, get people to sell, they sell out. Evil fortune jumping in the portal, trying to achieve they go. Don't leave me, they see you to live, you stalk you on your phone.
fuck 5G,
Fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
I'm in 50.
I'm in 50.
Fuck 5G,
Fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
fuck 5G,
tryna hurt me,
can't hurt me,
tryna kill me.
can't kill me.
Fuck 5G.
Fuck 5G.